Wow. You guys told me that they're considered to be one of the K-pop groups with the best vocals. I agree, I see why. What is up guys, it's Dana. BTOB, the group of cute boys and awesome vocals, came back today with a song which is called When It Rains. However, in the title it says BTOB-BLUE, so maybe it means that it's some kind of a subgroup, only some of the members. Please tell me in the comments if you know. I only listened to 2 BTOB songs until now, which are Only One For Me and Movie. I did film a reaction for Movie and I'm gonna upload it soon. And now I'm gonna check out When It Rains. Yeah, just by the title I could tell it's gonna be a calm song. Winter vibes. They actually make it look like a movie. Wow. You guys told me that they're considered to be one of the K-pop groups with the best vocals. I agree, I see why. Makes you so emotional. Maybe it's a subgroup of the vocal line? Because I can't see how they're gonna put a rap part here. Maybe the rappers are also vocalists? Yeah, the rapper with the shaved hair is missing in this video. So artistic. Actually makes me feel like I am there with them. This is the cute guy I mentioned in the first video. Wow. Probably awesome to see this live. They harmonize really good together. I mean, their voices combine really good. I would feel even more emotionally connected if I knew what they're saying. Should learn Korean. Or SM could put captions next time. Sorry, not SM. I mean Cube Entertainment. Do you hear this really high note in the background? Oh gosh. Even though I don't know what they say, it makes me feel like this one has like a brighter ending. It starts dramatic and sad and it becomes more optimistic, like brighter days. What are they looking at? Wow. You know, it's usually harder for me to like ballads right from the start because I'm more the type of person who like the upbeat songs, songs you can dance to, songs you can feel the energy. But I tried to really focus and pay attention, and I liked it even though it was the first time I listened to it. But I'm sure that when I listen to it over and over, I'm gonna like it more because this is how it works for me with ballads. Make sure to wait for my reaction to movie. I already filmed it, I just need to edit it and upload. I did prepare it on advance because I'm going on a trip to Korea and Japan, so I filmed some videos in advance and I'm gonna upload them. Like maybe 2 or 3 videos a week, because when I'll be there I won't have my computer and camera and everything, so I cannot film new reactions while I'm there. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Consider subscribing, write something in the comments, I will reply, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!